What if I told you that you could make thousands of dollars a month off of the GoHighLevel platform, even if you don't have your own agency or business right now? And you don't have to be a marketing genius or a tech guru to be able to monetize off of this all-in-one platform. In fact, you can turn this into passive income, a part-time side hustle, or you can turn it into a full-time business. And that's why you need to watch all of this video today, because I'm going to go over 6 different ways that you can use this platform to be able to make money off of it. And a lot of you already have access to this platform, but are struggling to get your first client or find ways that you can actually use this platform to make money. And if you don't have access to this platform, then you can use my link down below to get a free 30-day trial with all of the features included. And if you hit the ground running right, you can turn this into a business that pays you before your first bill is even due. And make sure you use that link, because if you go to GoHighLevel directly, they only give you a 14-day trial. And with my affiliate link, you get a 30-day free trial. Plus, you will get enrolled into my online community and access to all of the exclusive benefits that I have for people that use my affiliate link. So if you're ready to learn how to make money off this platform, keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Learning GoHighLevel with Jacob. I am Jacob Shireman. I am a marketing expert with over 17 years of marketing experience and have had my own marketing agency for over 13 years now, specializing in different industries. And this channel is all about how you can capitalize off of GoHighLevel or learn how to use it for your business. So if you want to keep seeing content like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I release new content. And I'm super excited about this video today. We've taken some break for some of the tutorials because I want to really show you how to capitalize off of GoHighLevel. I even struggled with this in the beginning, somebody that's had their own marketing agency for, over 13 years. This has been a truly game changer. I have lots of businesses. I have my marketing business. I do a lot of content creation. Plus I own a real estate business where I am a real estate agent myself, and I have a team of about 60 real estate agents. So we've used this platform exclusively over the last year, and I've used it to create courses and things like that. And this platform, if I would have known some of these things ahead of time, I could have even hit the ground running even faster and even made money before my trial period was over. And so that's what I want to kind of dive in today, is help you think outside of the box of ways to do it, because a lot of people have access to this platform. If you go to any of these Facebook groups for GoHighLevel, there's thousands and thousands and thousands of people trying to make money off of this platform, making content like this. And I want to show you kind of how to think outside of the box, stand outside of the crowd, because you don't just have to offer this as a resell sub accounts or just affiliate links. I'm going to go through 6 different ways that you can monetize off of this platform, especially like creating content like this and monetizing on a social media platform or YouTube. There's so many different ways. So I'm gonna break down each way step by step and even give you some tips on how to get started today. And remember, if you don't have access now, go click on my affiliate link and get access now. All right, one of the first ways, which is the most common way, is to offer GoHighLevel as a SaaS plan. So SaaS stands for software as a service. And basically what you would do is white label this platform. This is why GoHighLevel, if you're new to this, is so popular, because it has all these marketing tools in one. And I covered this in other videos, but you can white label it, remove all of GoHighLevel's branding in there, and then you could put your branding for the platform. So instead of GoHighLevel, our business is High5 Biz Solutions. And so I did High5 Connect. And so I can white label that, put my logo in there. And so when I resell this software to clients, they think it's my platform, even though I'm upfront that this is a white labeled version of GoHighLevel, because they're going to find out eventually because it looks the same. You could sell that as a SaaS plan. You would want the $297 plan minimally to do that, or the $497 plan. The $497 plan is what gives you the automated SaaS billing. So that way, if they don't pay or they have overages based on how many texts and emails they're doing, or any other services they're using, it can rebuild them for you. You can do the $297 plan, which gives you unlimited sub accounts, but you're going to have to do the manually billing. And I tell people in the beginning, hey, start with either the 97 or the 297 right away, because it'll give you time to get a few clients that will pay for the $497 a month. Even the 97 plan, even though there's some limited features, depending on the market you're going into, you have to claim at least one of those sub accounts for yourself, because you got to have the marketing agency there. But the other 2 sub accounts you could sell for $197, $297 a month, you get those, rented out, get those sold, then you have money to upgrade your plan. So don't be afraid to start at the bottom, especially while you're learning this platform. But you could do that, sell the SaaS plans, or you can offer this as a part of your marketing plan. So if you have a marketing agency like me, I have an all-in plan where we do all of their SEO, all their video editing, their social media. We do all of their marketing for a really good amount. And then we throw in this CRM for free, especially if they don't have anything. They don't have any social media scheduler. They don't have a CRM. They don't have a Calendly. What we can do is come in with an all-in-one solution, our proprietary customized software that we can come in and offer that as a solution. And then they don't have, 5 different invoices as well. So you could use it like that, but this is the most common way to do that. All right, another great way to earn money through HighLevel is through the affiliate program. So with the affiliate program, if somebody clicks your link, you get 40% of that plan a month until that person is either no longer paying or no longer active with HighLevel. Now, this is signing up through HighLevel's website, not your sub account. And if that person who signed up with your affiliate link decides to promote it as well as an affiliate and somebody signs up under them, you get a 5% override as well. Now, this is a great method for those who want to do more of a side hustle or have more passive income, because you don't have to onboard clients. You don't have to, provide tech support. You do want to offer some type of value stack because there's lots of people out there promoting it like myself. And so just like us, we're offering access to our community that we have where we can all collaborate together. And then on top of that, I give all of my affiliates who use the link and have gone through, we offer them a coaching call to make sure that they're able to use this platform to the fullest, that they've identified a niche or a way that they want to make money with this platform. And that's optional. And then we're going to be rolling out some other great onboarding stuff as well. So we're going to be competitive because we want people to use our links. So you have to think about that. Another reason that you would want to go the affiliate route versus reselling a sub account, maybe, like I said, you don't want to have to worry about setting up SaaS, chasing after billing. You want to just offer this to your current clients as a resource. So for instance, with real estate agents, maybe they're not on our all-in marketing platform. I could just offer this to a brokerage, for instance, that wants multiple sub accounts. So they're not going to pay me all this money for sub accounts. But if I tell them, hey, you could go get this plan through HighLevel for $297 a month, you can offer this or even resell it to your agents and customize it for your business, and everybody can have their own sub account. You can see all the leads in each account. You can have team resources. I could resell them that platform and then have them sign up, and then they pay for my services maybe to customize it. So that way, HighLevel is providing the tech support. They needed multiple accounts anyways, and it's saving them money, and I get that 40% no matter what. Even if they're not even a marketing client with me anymore, they fade off, they figure out things on their own, I'm still getting lifetime income for that, for putting them on the right path. So that would be another reason you want to use the affiliate link, but it's a great way to make money. It's super popular. And if you need help with that, use my affiliate link, get access to my program, and I'd love to coach you through that. All right, another way that you can make money off of HighLevel is to sell it as a done-for-you service. So this would be great, like in the previous example, maybe you don't want to have to worry about sub accounts and chasing monthly money, and you want to offer this to your clients as a resource. So maybe you have a real estate brokerage that needs multiple sub accounts, and they want all their agents to have their own sub account, not just access to their main account. Then you could set it up for them, set up their websites, their funnels, set up a snapshot for each agent as they come in. It's already kind of done for you. Customize fields, set up automation, set up the CRM, the pipelines, the permissions, maybe even their plans as people come on. You can offer that as a done for you one-time fee, or you can charge them a monthly retainer that if they need help with, even future setup or onboarding or whatever, you could charge that fee as well. And this is a great way to add an extra service to your marketing company. Or in cases like I've had people already go and buy HighLevel through another affiliate link, I can still charge them a one-time fee to set it up as well and still be able to monetize off of those people that already have that platform. All right, the fourth way that you can make money with HighLevel is by selling a pre-built snapshot. So basically in HighLevel, each sub account, you can apply a snapshot, which is kind of like a template or pre-done settings. So if you have custom fields in your CRM or you have pre-built automations, websites and things like that, you could customize a snapshot for a specific industry and sell those to people and share the link. They can import it and apply that to their platform. You can make $500, $1,000, depending on how well your snapshot is. So one thing that you can do to figure out, what niche to do that for is go into GoHighLevel and look at their snapshots and see what they're missing. So if there's a specific industry that's not there for you, that's your opportunity to capitalize and monetize off of GoHighLevel that way. And you're just providing the snapshot. You're not doing necessarily any onboarding or having to worry about sub accounts and rebilling. This could be a great side hustle and passive income as well. Or you could go into GoHighLevel and look at something like the attorney or real estate agent, which is what we've done with the real estate agent. Went in there and looked at what things they were missing because it was geared to multiple different fields of real estate. And so we built one for real estate agent and brokerage, and we could sell that snapshot as well or offer it to our clients as well. So snapshots could be a great way to make some extra side money. All right, another way that you can make money with GoHighLevel is to offer any type of coaching or consultation. So you can charge per session or you can charge for a specific period of time. We do this a lot with our coaching programs, whether it's for marketing or GoHighLevel is we'll charge, 60-day, 90-day, tell them that we'll meet with them once a week and help them get onboarded to that. So you can get paid for that. If they also use your affiliate link, you can get paid for that, but you can offer your expertise on how to use GoHighLevel for their business. So offer your coaching plans, your consulting plans, and you can use GoHighLevel to schedule those and charge them as well. All right, and the last thing that we're gonna cover today in this video to make money with GoHighLevel is offer some type of paid membership site or paid community, or even offer an online course. And this is a great thing that you can do. You could charge for a workshop, like using the webinar feature. You could also sell exclusive access to a community or a subscription service, or you can create a course on how to make money with GoHighLevel or how to use GoHighLevel to grow your real estate business. You could sell courses that you can provide snapshots for, resources. That way people can learn how to set up GoHighLevel for their industry or how to make money with GoHighLevel. Maybe you're going to capitalize on that way. And this is just a great way to show you that you don't just have to resell sub accounts or be a white labeled marketing agency or sell the SaaS software. You can monetize in a number of ways. So you could sell some sub accounts, you could do the affiliate link, you could sell some snapshots. I've had people offer me money for our snapshots because, they didn't qualify by downloading our link to get it. So now I could charge them, $1,000 for my snapshot if I want to. It all depends on how good that is. But you can use a variety of these ways or just focus in one area. The key is to think outside of the box and look for areas that people are not focusing on. And especially if you're going to be doing sub accounts or a snapshot and focusing on a specific industry, make sure that industry, there's not a lot of competition out there, but it's something that can give you a quick setup. I wouldn't start with the most complicated thing as you're learning GoHighLevel, trying to figure out how to resell this. Start with an industry that would have a few things to set up, maybe not use all the features that you can easily rebill, make some money, and then you grow your industries and your target audience with that. So I hope you found this information helpful. It's my goal in every video to give you something that you can take away today to grow your business. And again, if you want to get a free 30-day subscription to GoHighLevel, you can use my affiliate link down below instead of getting that basic 14-day trial as well. So go ahead and click that link. If you're a business and you just want a sub account, but maybe you don't want to go pay $297, $497, depending on your industry, take a look, schedule a demo with High5 Connect today. I will leave that information down below. So if you don't need your own, white label account, we can give you just an individual sub account as well. And again, if you have any questions, drop those down in the comments below. If you want to keep seeing content like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, give this video a like, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video.